Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing about the brain teasers of data handling. Now coming to the second question, find the mean, median and mode of the given data. So you have to find out all the three, mean, median, mode. So first it is a mean. For mean, what we have to do? The sum of observations upon the number of observations, isn't it? Number of observations. Now for sum of observations, you have to add everything, that is 35 plus 32 plus 35 plus 42 plus 35 plus 32 plus 34. 35, 32, 35, 42, 35, 40, 32, 34. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 are there upon 7. When you add, you will get the answer 245. 245. You have to add and write. Then 7. 7 how much are 24? 7 3s are 21, 23, 24, 22, 23, 24. 3 remains. So 7 how much are 35? 5s are. So you got mean is equal to 35. Now next is median. So for median, what we have to do? The ascending order, isn't it? Without ascending order, you can't write the median. Okay, ascending order. Write the question. It is 35, 32, 35, 42, 35, 32 and 34. 35, 32, 35, 42, 35, 32 and 34. Okay, ascending order. First it will be 32 2 times. Next it is a 34, then 35 3 times, 35 3 times and then 42. Now for median, how we will be writing? Extreme left, extreme right. Right, cancel like that. So what is remaining? That is 35. So median also you got 35. Now mode, which is the number which has repeated many times, it is 35. 35 is repeated 3 times, so the mode is 35. All the three answers, it is 35. Mean, median, mode. Usually for the exam, this type of questions are asked, wherein they will ask all the three, so that they will understand whether you know the topic or not. Okay. Now coming to the third question, it is the mean of the 40 observations was 160. It was detected on rechecking that the value of 165 was wrongly copied as 125 for computation of mean. Means when they calculated mean, they have written it wrong. Find the correct mean. Hope you remember in the worksheet 1 you had such sums, isn't it? Such type of sums. So first, mean of 40 observations is given as mean of 40 observations कितना दिया है? 160. So immediately we have to find sum of 40 observations is equal to mean into the number of observations. So you get how much? It is a 0 2 times 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4, 5 6. So you got 6400. That is the sum of 40 observations. Now next step, on rechecking, the value of 165 was wrongly copied as 125. So 165 के बदले में 125 लिखे हैं, तो वो स्टेटमेंट लिखने का, since 165 was wrongly copied as 125. So 165 लिखने के बदले में 125 लिखे हैं, तो करेक्ट सम of 40 observations will be how much? ओरिजिनल कितना है? 6400 आया था. अभी 125 वो लोग लिखे हैं, है ना, तो 125 को पहले निकालो, -125. एक्चुअल कितना डालने का था? 165, तो उसको ऐड करो. तो पहला जो सम आया उससे जो रॉन्ग कॉपी किया गया उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, और जो एक्चुअल लिखने का था उसको ऐड करने का. तो तभी आपको कितना आएगा? इट इज 6400, और ये इजी है ना, 165 minus 125, how much it will be? So 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be 6440. Understood? So you got the correct sum now. Now the correct mean is equal to correct sum upon number of observations. Hope you remember from the first worksheet. अभी करेक्ट सम कितना मिला हमें? 6440, और नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस चेंज नहीं होगा, इट इज 40 ओनली. 0 0 कट, 4 1s are 4, 2 remains, 4 6s are 24, 4 1s are 4. So the answer is 161. So earlier the mean was 160. Now the correct mean is 161. Hope you understood. This statement, it is important. You have to understand that. So first mean of 40 observations is given. Immediately find out the sum of 40 observations, and then since 165 was wrongly copied as 125, correct sum will be the original sum minus the wrongly copied plus the actual observation. See, then find out the actual sum, correct sum, then correct mean. So that was question number 3. Now coming to the question number 4. The mean of 10 numbers is given. Mean of 10 numbers is 20. Now if 5 is subtracted from every number, what will be the new mean? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में ऐसे वाले सम्स किए थे, उधर एडेड डाले थे, इधर सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तो इधर सबसे पहले सम ऑफ 10 ऑब्जर्वेशंस और 10 नंबर्स. सो मीन इज 20, ऑब्जर्वेशन इज 10, so it became 200. Sum of 10 numbers is 200. Now what they have told, if 5 is subtracted from every number, the new sum will be, new sum of 10 numbers will be, पहला ओरिजिनल सम कितना है 200. अभी सब्ट्रैक्टेड बोले हैं तो सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन डालो. टोटल नंबर्स कितने हैं 10. हाउ मच इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ईच 5. तो उधर 2 इज एडेड टू एवरी नंबर बोले हैं, इधर 5 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एवरी नंबर. सो ओरिजिनल सम माइनस एडेड है तो एडिशन साइन, सब्ट्रैक्टेड है तो सब्ट्रैक्टेड साइन. फिर 10 numbers are there and 5 is subtracted from every number, so multiply by 5. So it becomes 200 minus 50, that is 150. That is the new sum. Therefore the new mean is equal to new sum upon number of observations. Number of observation change नहीं होगा, है ना. So it is new sum is 150 and the number of observation is 10. 0 0 cut, the answer is 15. So answer new mean is equal to 15. Okay, so that was question number 4. Now coming to the question number 5. Find the median of the following observations. They have asked to write the find the median. So median के लिए सबसे पहले ascending order लिखने का है, तो पहले क्वेश्चन लिख के ले लो. 46, 64, 87, 41, 58, 77, 35, 90, 55, 92 and 33. 46, 64, 87, 41, 58, 77, 35, 90, 55, 92, 33. Now first step is ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Start from the smallest, it is 33. Next is 35. Next is 41. Next 46. Next 55. Next 58. Next 64. Next 77. Next is 87. next 90 and then 92. Understood? Now write the median. First, last, first, last, first, last, first, last, first, last. How much you got? It is 58. Median is equal to 58. Now next it is if 92 is replaced by 99 and 41 by 43. Write the question. If 92 is replaced by 99 and 41 by 43, new order means again you have to rewrite. So first 33, 41 is replaced by 43. So 33, 35 as it is. Instead of 41 you have to write 43. Next 46, it is 55 as it is, 58 as it is. Now directly 90s, so 64 as it is, 77, 87, now 90. Instead of 92 you have to write 99. Now they have asked to find out the new median. Hope you understood. So in the second half they have told two numbers they have removed and new two numbers they have put. So accordingly you have to write the ascending order. Now again find first, last, first, last, first, last, first, last. Again it will be 58 only. Sometimes it changes. Okay. Hope you understood the fifth question. Now coming to the sixth question. Find the mode of 2 1 by 4, 3.5, 4.1, 3.5, 2.5 and 0.5. It is mode. Okay. So for mode, convert everything into the decimal. So you can write 2 1 by 4, 3.5, 4.1, 3.5, 2.5 and 0.5. 2 1 by 4. Correct, isn't it? Okay. Now convert this into the decimal. 2 1 by 4. Quarter means it is a 0.25. Half is 0.5. Quarter is 0.25. Remember. Now 3.5. Here you put the semicolon. Now 3.5. Now 4.1. Now 3.5 you can write as 3.5. Half. 2.5, 2.5. And last is 0.5. Now for mode means what? More number of times. Which observation is repeated? It is 3.5. Hope you understood. So if it is a mixed number, convert into the decimal and see. Just you have to see which number, which observation is repeated maximum number of times. That's all. Okay. That was question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7. It is to draw the bar graph. Last one question is for the graph. The results of the pass percentage of class 10 and 12 in CBSE examination for 5 years are given below. Draw the bar graph to represent the data. See, year is given 10th and 12th, means it is a double bar. You have to understand this. Okay. So, first you will be drawing the x-axis and the y-axis, and 0 and 1 centimeter, isn't it? That 1 unit that you have to darken on both the x and the y-axis. Now see the number, it is 90, 95, 90, 80, 98, like that. So you can take to be 10, 20, 30. Isn't it? The one small division is equal to 1. So 1 unit means 1 centimeter, that unit is equal to 10 pass percentage. So on the x-axis it is along the x-axis it is years, and along the y-axis it is a pass percentage. It's given, no, pass percentage. And the box, empty box is for class 10 and the shaded one for the class 12. Now first is 2004, 2005. So leave 1 centimeter gap and 90. So draw horizontal and the box, and then 95. So you have to take it up to 95. Then again the box, and second box has to be shaded. Now leave 1 centimeter gap and draw for the next 95, then 80. Hope this I have explained to you already. So hope you understand how to draw the graph. So 1 centimeter gap, then one box, the second box has to be shaded, and immediately it has to be written the details. Then leave 1 centimeter and draw the empty box, then the shaded box. Then write the year, then leave 1 centimeter gap, then again draw. So 8, that means 1 small divisions. So 8 small divisions, 90 के बाद the small 8 divisions that you have to take. Understood? So we have completed the full lesson of our data handling. Hope everyone remember you have understood all the sums. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video. Bye. All the best.